This is a picture of the part right after the weld. Flux has been removed. What you're seeing there in the black is actually the slag, which you can see pops right off. I don't have my chipping hammer. As you can see, easy removal, basic sub-arc weld, slag assembly. There you're getting a little bit closer view of what the bed looks like. Copper backup bar. And this is the test piece right here. Slag. Oh. Hot. There we're looking again down the bed. That's where the latch is. Torch assembly. This is your alignment tool. Complete bed assembly. Takes you out. Latch.